Do you want to learn English for daily conversation faster?
Do you speak English?
You can speak English with me.
Do you want to improve your listening, pronunciation, and speaking skills? If yes, then welcome to this new English learning lesson. In this video, you will practice with a 4-part English conversation exercise designed to help you build fluency step by step. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, useful sentences. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Are you ready to train your brain and learn English for daily conversation? Let's get started. Part 1, listening practice. In this section, you will listen to a short English conversation. Pay close attention to how the speakers pronounce words, their intonation, and rhythm. Listen carefully and try to understand the meaning. Don't worry if you don't catch everything the first time. Just listen and enjoy. Let's start.
Get rid of some things.
This closet is a mess.
Yeah, it really is.
I can't find anything in here.
You have too much stuff in this closet.
I know. I keep everything I buy.
That's probably the problem.
Some of these clothes are very old.
Do you still wear them?
No, I don't wear them anymore.
Then why are they still here?
I guess I don't need them now.
Maybe it's time to clean this place.
Yeah, I need to get rid of some things.
That's a really good idea.
I think it will help me feel better.
It will. You'll have more space to move.
And I'll feel less stress at home.
Exactly. A clean space feels calmer.
Okay, let's start with this pile first.
Sounds good. I'll help you.
Great job! You successfully completed the conversation listening and comprehension section. Let's continue to complete your lesson and learn English. Reminder: the more you listen, the better you understand. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Also, let me know in the comments, what daily English conversation topics would you like to learn next?
Part 2, useful sentences. Welcome to Part 2. In this part, you will learn useful sentences from the dialogue. These are sentences people use in everyday English conversations. These sentences will help you sound more natural and confident. They will also help you understand spoken English better. Remember, learning useful sentences is an important step toward speaking English fluently. You can do it. Let's get started.
Get rid of. We use this to say remove something or throw something away. Example: I need to get rid of these old papers.
Get rid of it.
Get rid of this!
Get rid of it! Get rid of it!
Too much stuff. We use this to say there are many things and it feels messy or hard to manage. Example: my bag is too heavy. I have too much stuff in it.
I got too much stuff at home.
Wait. So don't wear too much stuff.
It's too much stuff.
There's not too much stuff, but...
Too much stuff.
Anything in here. We use this to ask if something is inside a place. Example: is there anything in here that we need?
Touch anything in here.
You can't find anything in here!
Can't find anything in here.
How do you find anything in here?
A mess. When something is very messy or not organized. Example: after the kids played, the room was a mess.
Your room is a mess.
Your room is a mess.
Our inventory is a mess.
Desk is a mess.
The kitchen is a mess.
Well done! You finished learning useful phrases, idioms, and expressions. Keep going to complete your lesson and learn English. Remember, don't just memorize. Try using these expressions in real situations to speak better.
Part 3, Listen and answer practice. Welcome to Part 3, Listen and Answer Practice. In this part, you will listen to some questions about the conversation we just heard. Try to answer each question in English. If you don't know the answer yet, don't worry. Just listen carefully and learn. You can pause the video or watch again until you understand everything. This exercise will help you think in English, understand conversations better, and respond naturally in daily life. Take your time and remember, every time you practice, your English gets stronger.
This closet is a mess.
Yeah, it really is.
I can't find anything in here.
You have too much stuff in this closet. Where are Anna and Mike? They are at home, in front of the closet. What is the closet like? It is a mess. What problem does Anna have? She can't find anything.
I know. I keep everything I buy.
That's probably the problem.
Some of these clothes are very old.
Do you still wear them?
No, I don't wear them anymore.
Why does Mike say Anna has too much stuff? Because she keeps everything she buys. Are some of Anna's clothes old? Yes, some of them are very old. Does Anna still wear those clothes? No, she doesn't wear them anymore. Then why are they still here?
I guess I don't need them now.
Maybe it's time to clean this place.
Yeah, I need to get rid of some things.
That's a really good idea. What does Anna decide to do? She decides to clean the closet. What does Anna need to do with some things? She needs to get rid of some things.
I think it will help me feel better.
It will. You'll have more space to move.
And I'll feel less stress at home.
Exactly. A clean space feels calmer.
Okay, let's start with this pile first.
Sounds good. I'll help you. Will cleaning help Anna? Yes, it will. Does Mike help Anna? Yes, he does.
Awesome work. You completed the listening and answering practice. You're getting closer to completing your lesson and learning English. Answering questions helps you think in English. Keep practicing. You are improving.
Part 4 Shadowing Practice. Welcome to Part 4 Shadowing Practice. In this section, you will repeat after the speakers to improve your pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Shadowing is one of the best ways to sound more natural in English. Just listen carefully, then repeat each line with the same speed and melody. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to train your mouth and ears to speak English more fluently. With every repetition, your confidence will grow. Let's begin the shadowing practice.
Get rid of some things.
Yeah, it really is. You have too much stuff in this closet. That's probably the problem. Do you still wear them? Then why are they still here? Maybe it's time to clean this place. That's a really good idea. It will. You'll have more space to move. Exactly. A clean space feels calmer. Sounds good. I'll help you.
Get rid of some things.
This closet is a mess. I can't find anything in here. I know. I keep everything I buy. Some of these clothes are very old. No, I don't wear them anymore. I guess I don't need them now. Yeah, I need to get rid of some things. I think it will help me feel better. And I'll feel less stress at home. Okay, let's start with this pile first.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to keep improving your English. Comment below. What daily conversation would you like to learn?
Congratulations! You have completed the shadowing practice and your full lesson. Shadowing helps you speak more naturally and confidently. Keep practicing with different characters, and you will sound more fluent every day.
In this English speaking practice lesson, you will listen to real conversations, learn new vocabulary, practice speaking, and shadow native speakers, everything you need to improve your English conversation skills step by step.
These videos are here to help you learn English better. Keep practicing with shadowing. If this video helped you, like the video. Thank you.